Hey everybody, have you ever wanted to live in a community that is golf cart friendly? You can get to all kinds of golf cart stuff all over.
Golf cart stuff. Yes, I do. Yeah. I did, and I do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you live here.
Yeah, we're in my neighborhood right now.
We're in his golf cart.
I'm showing them around the neighborhood, and we have a listing today, but I want to talk about what's in the neighborhood here. So one of the reasons Andrew and I moved in this neighborhood, it's super close to where our kids go to school at Northwood Christian, but then there's also a brand new school that's opened up since we moved in here, the Carolyn Lewis School.
Yep.
It's K through 8, so there's a lot of great schools right here in the neighborhood. And then the amenities for us, and watch speed bumps also.
Speed bump.
The amenities, they have a fantastic pool, multiple playgrounds, 2 different dog parks, one for big dogs and little dogs. But as if that wasn't enough, with the size of the neighborhood that's been growing, they've added a new amenity center. It's going to be called the Agra Hood. Mark, we haven't totally figured out what this is going to be yet.
Yeah, I think it's going to be like plants where you might have a day that you want to come volunteer and plant some tomatoes and stuff, and then you reap some of that harvest you plant, maybe?
I got to get me a farmer's hat.
Yes, that would be great.
But more important than that,
we will get that on the video.
Yeah, for sure. Basketball courts, pickleball courts, an inside gym, a super amazing looking resort style pool with a water slide. Going to be one of the only water slides here in the neighborhood. And what I really like also about this is I can go by golf cart across the street to multiple restaurants like Steel City Pizza and
El Jalapeno.
They got fantastic margaritas over there. I like their frozen mango margarita.
Oh yeah.
But multiple lakes in this neighborhood. We go down and feed the turtles by the lake. It's just a great neighborhood, and I'm super excited to show you this house.
All right, let's go.
Hey, we're at the house here, and this house here in Carnes is a little bit of a different situation sometimes, that all things are not created equal.
Yes, yes. This one's above par a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a David Weekley build home.
Yep.
It's got 3 bedrooms. You have almost a little over 2,500 square feet.
Yeah. On
a beautiful lot with some great fenced-in backyard.
And they did a lot of stuff to this house when they built it, and also some really cool things after they've owned it. So the back gates they put in this house are absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited for you guys to see it. So first of all, Mark, this is kind of fun. I like doing listings by golf cart.
We should do more of these.
We really should.
Yeah.
Especially because this is my neighborhood. So clearly I love this neighborhood a lot, or I wouldn't live here. I think you can see what's special about this house compared to a bunch of the other homes in the neighborhood, with the front porch, the back porch, the master down, all the things they've done to this house. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to know more about this house, down in the description, you can click the link. You can book a Zoom call with us. Of course, you can do the whole text, email, phone call. All of that information is down there below too. But I think we should go show them around.
Yeah, we're going to go show you some more of what really makes Carnes special, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.
you.